Hello everyone and welcome. Now in this video we're going to be looking at how to customize the company form on your Intuit that's my company, on your Intuit Quickbooks account. Now, the name of my company is Richmond Books. You can tell it's not actually real. Anyway, so I want to customize the company form so that people will need to fill, prospective customers will need to fill. So the first thing you do is from the home page, you click on the name of the company. Then it will open up this accounts and settings part for you to manage. Then you click on sales on the left side menu. So you click on sales and then you can see customize the way the forms look to your customer. Then you click on customize look and feel. What customize how the form will look and how it will feel. Now this is the custom form style. This is the normal style we have. Remember, we have different types of form. In case you're wondering, we have the invoice form, the estimate, and the sales receipt form. So it depends on the one you want to customize. Let's say I want to customize the invoice. I click on invoice. And this is how the invoice normally looks. This is the template. If I want to change it, let's say I want to type in with a new type. You can see this under type. This is another way of showing the form, the invoice. So you can choose the preferred one. And that is it. So you choose the one you prefer. Then you also have logo edit. You can edit the logo that appears on the form. You can splash on more colors to the form. You can see the colors. So you decide how you want it to be. You can get choosy with your font and change the font to use. You can change the size from, you only have 3 options, 8, 10 or 12. So you can also add your EFT detail to it to apply to all the sales forms. So you add the discounts, you're going to put in the deposits, estimate summary for email and web only, message to your customer. You can say, we appreciate your business and look forward to talking to you soon. To apply to all your sales form except your estimates. Then you can also choose your written language. You can add a footer text, maybe any extra information your customer needs to know. Also choose the size for the footer text. It has 8, 10 and 12. So choose the one you want, and then you can have it centered left or to the right. So once you through it all this, you can go to the next one, which is emails here. Now how your invoice will appear in your emails is what we're trying to set now. So you can see as it appears, full details if you want. If you don't want, you can have just summarized details. If you don't want, you can have PDF attached to the full details, and then we have summarized details. So when it is full details, this is how it looks. You can see, dear customer, you put in customer name, we appreciate your business, please find your invoice details here, feel free to contact us if you have any questions, have a great day. And then you put the bill to terms, everything you need. You can print or save it. You can see all the addresses and stuff, contact information. Now if you want just summarize details, this is how it looks. So you can see, have a great day, but almost the same. If you slight change, then you can use for standard email, or that means you edit the email customers get with every invoice. So subject, you can put in the subject here. This is to apply to all your invoices. You can use greeting. If you don't use J, you can use to. Instead of J, you can use to. So you can also put in blank if you don't want to put anything there. So then you can put in the person's full name, which is the first name, first, second name. So the message to your customer, edit it here. You can also use reminder email. You can set the reminder email, everything. So that is it, and that is it for the designing of the invoice. So once you through it all this, you can also print it out here. Then you can preview as a PDF file to see how it will look like before you print it out. So once you through it all this, you can now save it. Click on done. Now, let's say it is not emails you want to do. You can do for estimates, follow the same steps for estimates, choose the design. You can change up the template by clicking on the template, choose the one you want. The same way we did that one, go through the whole motion again. I want to through that. You can do the same for the third one, which is also sales receipts. So these are the three basic forms you can customize on your Intuit QuickBooks account. So hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.